When Annie and Clarabel heard that a new coach was coming to their branch line, they got scared.
What if she's bigger and stronger than us and can carry more people?
What if this new coach replaces us? I'll never let that happen to you. The coaches need not worry, however, for Henrietta was smaller and even older than them. She could only offer a special tram service on goods trains, allowing unscheduled passengers a chance to make it to their destinations. The three got along like a house on fire and spent countless hours keeping Thomas and Toby awake with their chatting in the shed at night. One day, over a year after Toby and Henrietta's arrival, the three coaches were sent to the works for a service. They enjoyed their time there, that was until... Oh look, it's Annie and Clarabel. I see they've made a new friend.
Go crawl back into your mud pits. It's where you belong.
Annie and Clarabel were stunned silent by this, but Henrietta was fierce.
Oh look, mainline coaches. Why don't you crawl out of the ass of the harbor where you're stored every once in a while? Maybe your seats will get some sunlight for once.
Yes, and not be so moldy. The coaches were stunned silent, but recovered. Such a long tongue for a glorified brake van. Annie just gave a devious smile. Say, Etna, did you ever get those bootlaces replaced?
Yes, and Judy, did you ever get repaired after Charles hurtled you down the main line?
I thought I heard some cranking when they came in. The mainliners fumed while Henrietta, Annie, and Clarabel howled with laughter. The mainliners were about to respond when the foreman stepped in. All right. Annie, Henrietta, and Clarabel, the shunter will be along to take you back to your branch line in a minute. As for you lot, I hope you will enjoy your new heritage line in Wales. Heritage line? Said it has to be some sort of mistake. Clearly these oddballs are the ones that are being sent to a heritage line. Not a standard amongst them. The foreman just laughed. Not at all. They're essential to run branch line operations. The FAC controllers just ordered your retirements and replacements. The mainliners didn't say any more as the branch line coaches were hauled away. Annie and Clarabel celebrated their win while Henrietta remained silent. She felt proud that Annie and Clarabel had defended her. She was happy that she was actually one of their team.